Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super simple but incredibly powerful for your health. Yep, we're talking about water. You might be drinking it every day, but do you really know what it does for your body? Stick around for 5 amazing reasons why drinking enough water daily can seriously upgrade your life. Boosts your energy and brain function. Ever feel tired or foggy in the middle of the day? One reason could be dehydration. Your brain is made up of about 75% water. Just a small drop in hydration can affect your mood, focus, and memory. Staying hydrated helps your brain stay sharp and keeps your energy levels steady, no more midday crashes. Helps with weight loss and digestion. Trying to lose weight or feel lighter? Drink more water. Water boosts your metabolism and helps your body break down food more efficiently. Plus, drinking water before meals can make you feel fuller. So, you eat less without even trying. And don't forget, it keeps things moving in your digestive system, preventing constipation. Keeps your skin clear and glowing. Want better skin? Water might be your secret weapon. When you're hydrated, your skin cells are more plump, elastic, and less likely to dry out. Water flushes out toxins that cause acne and dullness. The result? A healthy glow-no expensive skin cream required. Supports your kidneys and detoxification. Your kidneys are like your body's filter end. They love water. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out waste and toxins, reducing your risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Think of it as giving your body a daily detox naturally and for free. Regulates body temperature and prevents headaches. When you sweat, you lose water. If you don't replace it, your body can overheat, especially during workouts or hot weather. Water keeps your internal temperature stable. And get this, many headaches are actually caused by dehydration. So before you reach for a pill, try reaching for a glass of water instead. To sum it up, drinking water daily helps your brain, body, skin, digestion, and even your mood. Aim for 6-8 glasses a day, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. So grab that water bottle and start sipping. Mood, and reduce stress. When you're even slightly dehydrated, it can cause irritability, anxiety, and tension. Your brain needs enough water to maintain balance and regulate hormones like cortisol, which is your main stress hormone. So next time you're feeling down, stressed, or moody, pause and take a few sips of water. It might be a small habit, but it makes a big difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick health tips every week. See you in the next one, and stay hydrated.